Welcome to all. Today we discuss some stereochemistry based problem. Most of the students cannot solve this type of problem, how to solve stereochemical format to normal form, how to convert this, and so today we discuss in our discussion. So here problem is given here. So the major product obtained in the following transformation. So here the molecule is here given here, and in presence BuMgBr THF, which product form 1, 2, 3, number 3 and number 4. Total 4 option is given here. So how to solve this problem? So at first we discuss some basic concept 1, 2, 3, 4. So how to solve? So at first we discuss some Crumb's rule, basic concept, then we solve this problem. So now according to Crumb's rule, here at first this molecule, when according to Crumb's rule, now we discuss Crumb's rule. So according to Crumb's rule, here our front carbon is aldehyde present and R group is present, but in that situation that is the form of eclipse form. Here we large group replace on downside and our small group is here and medium group is here. So here the attacking of nucleophile attack on that site where the small group is present. So in that attack is more favorable. So in that side attack is not favorable because here medium group is present. So due to the presence some steric repulsion, this attack is not possible. So this side attack is possible, but actual we also show here stereochemistry. So when we follow the stereochemistry, so we know that front carbon, where I see here, so front carbon is fixed here. So at first we, as before nucleophilic attack, at first we rotate on that structure. So here large group we also replace here. So 60-degree angle when we rotate, when large group is there and the small group present here and medium group present here. So at first we convert on that form before nucleophilic attack, this form, this form, if you choose any two option. So when large group present here, when this large group present here and the medium group is upward side, small group is downward side, then we also occur here nucleophilic attack. So nucleophilic attack, we can easily say that small group site, because here small group no repulsion is present here, and when nucleophile attack on this side is more favorable because a small group is present here. So what is the thing is happen here? Here at first we also draw the eclipse form. At first we draw the eclipse form of any structure. Then second we also draw conformer, this type of conformer, this conformer, this conformer, and third nucleophilic attack takes place. So now here large group is present here, so this side is more stable, and here when nucleophilic attack takes place small group side, this one is the more favorable. So now we discuss this problem, how to solve this. So at first we also convert this molecule in a Newman projection formula. So we know that in case Newman projection formula, so our point of the view on this side, so we see on this side. So our front carbon, we can easily say this carbonyl is here and this methyl group is here because we also view on this side. But then our journey is start. Now we present when this bond on presence on this bond. So if we show here, our right side is O mom and left side is hydrogen presence. So in that eclipse form, now we can see on this side. So when we go on this side and when we present on the upward position of the bond, then our O mom is our right side and OH is our left side. That is our OH. Sorry, H. H is our left side and O mom is our right side. When you present on the upward position of the bond, when you view on this side, O mom is our right side and hydrogen is our left side. So now we can easily place here O mom and hydrogen is here, and this one, this bulky group is present on the downside of the bond. Now we can easily convert. So many of the student here, most of the problem create here, O mom is left side, yeah, right side. So how to confirm O mom right side, yeah, hydrogen left side? So your point of the view, that is the very important trick is here. Your point of the view on this side. So if you see on this side, so our mom group is present our right side and hydrogen is our, simply say, you just present here, you just see, you just present here. So if you see here, mom is our right side and hydrogen is our left side, so we can easily place. So after placing this eclipse form, now we discuss here, just rotate this form, because as before our nucleophilic attack, we also rotate here. So our front carbon remains same. We cannot change our front carbon. And when you rotate this system on that side, so our mom group is present here and hydrogen is present here. Rotate, so our mom group is present here and hydrogen is present here. So just rotate, simple rotation is occurs, 60-degree rotation. Now we can take place nucleophilic attack. So on that reaction, Bu, Mg, Br is present. Here delta minus, we know that in case Grignard reaction, delta plus charge is here and delta minus is here. So here on only butyl group attack on that center. At which site attack? Where hydrogen is present, less repulsion. So butyl group attack is here. So what is the product form now? Now we discuss the product formation. So we can simply draw one ring and we can simply weigh placed our front carbon. We cannot change our front carbon. Then we can simply say NC7H5. So here something is happened here. When attack possible, then our front carbon, that this attack is possible through our front carbon. So now this form also converted in eclipse form, because the attack is present on that side, then O is removed. So this side is, when it open, O minus and butyl group is attack here, and our back carbon atom remains same. Hydrogen is present here, O mom is present here. Now our target, now the front bond, now our target is to replace eclipse form, convert with eclipse form. So our now front carbon remains same. So our methyl, we can easily say OH in presence H plus, and our butyl. So we rotate this bond is here. So now we can easily say that in our eclipse form, NC7H5 is present here, and our O mom group is our right side. Then O mom group is our right side, and our butyl group and O mom group our right side, and hydrogen is present here. So this one is our conversion of eclipse form. So our problem is solved. Now we can easily place on that 3-dimensional structure. So what happened? At first we also draw the Newman projection formula. So we see on this side, so our front carbonyl group we place here, methyl group we place perpendicular. Then when you present on that position, our OMe group our right side, hydrogen is our left side. So we can easily place hydrogen left side, O mom group our right side, and this bond is downside. So this one is eclipse form. So as before nucleophilic attack, we also convert this type of conformer because here bulky group is present here. So this type of conformer is a very stable form of conformer. So now the attack possible on that side where the minimum repulsion is present. So after attack, so this front carbon is changes to this eclipse form, and then our back carbon remains same, back group remains same, we cannot change. Then we also convert the totally eclipse form. So our this group is downside and we form the structure. So now our problem is solved, but this 2D form to 3D form now we convert here. So we can simply draw the structure. So after formation of that compound, we also simply draw any 3D pattern. So the 3D pattern is here, and where our upward bond is here and our down bond is here, and our next form is our given product. This one is our up bond, this one is down bond. So we cannot know which group is placed here, but we can easily place here. So how to place this form to this form? So we also here, for our point of the view, when you show this eclipse form, our NC7H5 is our downside. Sorry, this one is our back carbon NC7, and our front carbon here methyl group is present here, and OH group is our right side, and O butyl group is our here. A simple conversion of Schwarz form. So then our right side is O mom, you know the form, and our hydrogen is this side, and our downside NC7H5. Now when you see on that form, so we can easily place here. So our journey start here on that side. So our methyl group is on the plane. So our right side is OH group is present. Our right side, we know that this one is our right, and our left side O butyl group is present. So right side OH group and butyl is our left side. So if you see on that side, so which one our right side? This down bond is our right side, and this up bond is our left side. Why? Because now we present here and see on this side. So our up bond is our left side, this one is our up bond, and our down bond is our on the plane. So now this one is our down bond. So we can easily say that our left is this upward bond and right is our down bond. So now here right side is OH present, so we can easily place OH, and left side we also easily present butyl. And then when you see our next front carbon, then our right side is O mom and left side is OH. Now we present on that position of bond. So when you present on that position, which one is our right side bond and which one is our left side bond, you just think, you just present on that bond, just present. So our right side we can easily say this bold bond, and left side we can easily say down bond. So we easily placed here our mom group is our right side, and then our hydrogen group is our downside. Then our NC7H5 we can easily placed NC7H15. So now we just draw the structure freshly from. So we get the structure is so now we can easily placed, when you placed on that structure, so this form we get, just freshly write down. So here on that option is here 1 2 3 4. So how to solve, how to know which one is our product? So in that case mom group is hydrolyzed here, fourth group is OH. So this one is cannot possible because THF act as a solvent on that reaction. So we can easily cut the 4 option. And MOM group is hydrolyzed, on that case 3 position. So we can easily cut on that 3 option. So our remaining option is 1 and 2. So which one is more important? Which product is more important? So here we just show our structure Me and then OH up. So on this structure is OH down and butyl is so OH down. So our structure OH is up. So we can cut the 1 option, and if you see that second option, so our methyl group is here and butyl group is our downside, butyl is here downside and OH is here. So this one structure is 2 is a correct. So here simply we can say that at first option you just convert the form of eclipsed form. Then our second target is at first you convert any structure is this eclipsed form, and our second target is form the most stable conformer. Third is nucleophilic attack, and fourth convert eclipsed form. So total 4 way you can solve this type of problem. So I also show here total 4 way. So at first you convert eclipsed form, convert total step, and second is a most stable conformer. Then third step we also done here, nucleophilic attack, and our fourth step we also do here after nucleophilic attack, change eclipsed form. Then fifth step, eclipsed form to 3D form. So convert 3D form. So now total 5 steps if we follow, our all problem is solved. So at first you form this type of structure, eclipsed form, just Newman 2 eclipsed form. Then our second target is to most stable conformer, means one large group is here and medium is here, small is here, and our eclipsed form remains same. So large is here and medium is here, small is here. And our third problem is, third we saw here nucleophilic attack, which site is a here less interaction, nucleophile is attacked on that case, and fourth is a change to eclipsed form, and then fifth is a our now convert in our 3D form. So now that is the way to easily solve this type of problem. So at first you have to change the any structure. At first you have to change the eclipsed form, then you can draw the most stable conformer, where then we can attack here nucleophilic attack, and then after nucleophilic attack when complete, then we can easily changes the structure of eclipsed form as per our previous. Then at first, then when the conversion is complete, then eclipsed form to just you can place the structure 3D form. So the 3D form. So then you can tally the structure, you get your product. Thank you. Please watch this video, and if you like this video, please share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.